Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at our Grille and Tailgate emblem for the late trucks and Broncos. Restoring an old Ford truck can be rewarding when you use high quality parts. Dennis Carpenter ensures that quality in this new reproduction Tailgate and Grille emblem. Measuring 7 inches wide and 2 3/4 inches tall, it's an exact replacement for your worn or faded original. It comes complete with alignment pins. These pins can be removed, and with its peel and stick backing, the emblem can be placed virtually anywhere. These are officially licensed by the Ford Motor Company, ensuring a factory look and fit. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.